Hello, my name is Aaron and I'm in Mr. D's class. I will be showing you how to add mixed numerals. This is part 10 of a 14 series on fractions. First sum is 2 1/3 plus 1 1/4. There are two ways to do this. I'm going to show you the improper fraction way first. We have to change both of these numbers to improper fractions. So, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so it becomes 7/3. Plus 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So it's 3 7ths plus 5 fourths. When adding fractions, we need to use the common denominator rule. Ours is 3 times 4, so our answer will be 12. We found out the lowest common denominator is 12. So we need to work out what we've done to 3 to make it 12. We've times by 4. So now we have to go 7 times 4 equals what? Which equals 28. So now we have to do that the same method with the 5 quarters. So what have we done to 4 to make it 12? We've times it by 3. Now we times 5 by 3, which equals 15. Okay, now remember you don't have the denominators together, you just have the numerators. So 28 plus 15 equals 43 on 12. Now this is the answer, but you can still simplify it. So 43, we need to work out how many 12s go into 43. The answer is 3. So we put our 3 here, and then the denominator stays the same, but there is 7 left over. So the answer is 3 7/12. Okay, now we're going to do the other way. In my view, it's easier. Now all we have to do is add the numerators to...
You smile at the camera and go 1, 2, 3, and you'll just keep going. I can cut all that out.
Okay, now we're going to do the other way. In my view, it was easier. We just have to add the whole numbers together and then the fractions together. So, 2 plus 1 equals 3. And now we have to do the fractions. 1/3 plus 1/4 equals, so we have to find a common denominator, which is 12. Okay, so now we have to work out what we've done to 3 to make it 12. We've done it by, so we've times it by 4. So now, 1 times 4 equals what? It equals 4. So now we have to work out the same method with the 12, with the 1/4. So 4 to 12 is timesing by 3. So 1 to make it something has to be times by 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. So now we have to add them all together. Okay, so 4 12ths plus 3 12ths equals 7 12ths. Okay, now that's not the answer because we have to add the other half of our sum onto it. So now we have to add 3 plus 7 12ths, which is simply 3 7/12. Okay, here's our next problem. 3 2/5 plus 1 2/3. Okay, we're going to do the improper fraction method first. So, we have to change them into improper fractions. So 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. So the denominator stays the same, but it becomes 17/5. Okay, plus 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5, so it becomes 5/3. Okay, so now we need to find a common denominator. So, a common denominator is 15. So, what have we done to 5 to make it 15? We've times it by 3, so we have to times 17 by 3. So the answer is 51. So now we have to do the same with 5/3. So what have we done to 3 to make it 15? We've times it by 5. So we're going to times 5 by 5, which equals 25. Okay, so now all we have to do is add them up. So 51 plus 25 is 76 on 15. And now, this is the answer, but we have to change it. We have to change this improper fraction to a mixed number. So, we need to work out how many 15s are in 76. So, the answer is 5. And now, there is leftover. So, the denominator stays the same. And we had 1 left over. So our answer is 5 and 1/15. Okay, there are 2 techniques we're seeing today. It's the whole numbers and the fractions, and the improper fraction method. I found the whole numbers and the fraction way easier, but it's your decision. I hope this helped you with adding your mixed numbers, and bye for now.